Hello fam, welcome back to my channel, Glowupwithdrc, where we blend fragrance, skincare, and faith to help you live your best glowing life. If you love vanilla and you don't want to smell like a Christmas cookie, in today's video, I'll be going over my top vanilla scents that I love to wear in the summertime. And this was kind of inspired by my new fragrances, Brown Sugar Babes collection. I bought all three of the the releases. Although one of them wasn't vanilla, I didn't know, but it's still amazing. And I'll talk about that at the end as well, just to give you some insight. So these aren't your typical vanillas. I'm talking about these are your beach vanillas, you're going out with the girlfriends for a good night on the town vanillas. A romantic date type of vanilla. So let's go ahead and get into it. If you like this type of content, get to know me, watch me a few times. But if you subscribe to my channel, welcome back. Thank you for your support. So this first vanilla scent, everybody knows it. Everyone who's on YouTube, of course, it went viral when it first came out. That is the Vanilla 28 perfume. Now this is what I call pretty girl scent. She's soft, she layers perfectly with everything. If you want to add a touch of vanilla, not a gourmand, because it's not necessarily a gourmand because it does have some gardenia in it, like the vanilla orchid and the jasmine, and then it's the base note is patchouli. It's not that kind of earthy patchouli. It just helps to make it more ground, make it have more depth, if you will. Also has amber and musk. Like I always say, if you have a little bit of musk in your perfume, more than likely you can wear that in the summertime. It just helps it to be a little bit more airy, a little bit more tolerable in this high heat. So Vanilla 28, definitely a vanilla that I'll be rocking. You can rock that out with the girls late at night. In high heat even, I wouldn't do as many as 3 dabs because it is quite strong. Now this is a cousin of Vanilla 28, and this thing sold out and it never came back for over a year. I'm so glad Brown Sugar Babe finally duped it with their fragrance as Marry Me. That is the Kayali Santal The Wedding. This is a vanilla based scent as well. It's a little bit more creamier than Vanilla 28, a little bit more, well, it is fruitier than Vanilla 28. I don't think Vanilla 28 has any fruit in it. This one does. It has a sweet nectar, champagne type scent. And when I tell you it's so lovely, elegant, uplifting, it is so sophisticated, so chic and classy. So if you're trying to go to a very elegant event, even a wedding event, the Wedding Silk Santal is for you. You can definitely wear this to the office. It's an all year round scent, so you're not going to go wrong. You're going to definitely get your money's worth. And like I said, it was sold out. It didn't come back in for a minute, and I was very hurt by that. So Wedding Silk Santal, The Wedding. Now this next scent is also, speaking of Arabian scents, this next scent is a game changer. If you want compliments, men love this scent. You hear me? This is, and you can tell that it's for the summertime. Look at that bottle. Shaghaf Oud Tonka. Let me tell you, every time I wear this scent, I get a compliment from a guy. It's never a woman. It's always a man. Whether I'm giving vaccinations or if I'm checking a man out, or men love Shaghaf Oud Tonka. And it says it has oud in it, but there isn't oud in it. I think that's just what Arabian, that's their way of marketing, I believe, having oud in a lot of their scents or in the name of their scents, even though it doesn't contain oud. I think it appeals to the Arabian Middle Eastern population to have oud, so that's why they put it in their names. I'm guessing it's just marketing. The top note is almond, so that's where you're going to get mostly of, is almond. Blended so well. It smells like peace. It smells like you want to be his piece. If a man wears it, and I believe it's unisex, a man can definitely pull this off and just smell clean, elegant, peaceful, if you will. Peace. Like that Juanita Bynum song, You Are My Peace. This is what it smells like. It smells like straight up peace, Has bottom notes of vanilla and tonka bean. That means it's just going to wear as a vanilla scent. Definitely a clean, summery, chic, and I guess sexy vanilla scent. Get it in your collection. This isn't over $40, so very affordable. Try it out. Get it in your collection. Shaghaf Oud Tonka. So this next scent is a very flirtatious, girly like scent. Not very grown, but if you just want to be in a light, not a light, a very playful, very youthful, just that kind of girl type of mood, then I would suggest you try the Ellis Brooklyn Marshmallow. I love sampling scents with y'all. Y'all are my kin folks. We in Mississippi. Y'all are my kin folks. Well, I'm in Mississippi. Tell me where you're from, where you're located. Anyway, so AI the Great said it smells like lemon water, but I'm pretty sure that she had a bad batch, because baby, this smells like a lemon marshmallow with a lemon twang in it, and the lemon is accentuating the marshmallow, so you're not really getting citrus, you're getting more of marshmallow, but it has a little twang, if you will. Something you can just put on with like a sundress, go out the house and know you're smelling good, looking good, and feeling great. Glow up. Like, I'm gonna put this on right now. Oh, and it's potent, real good. That's Marshmallow by Ellis Brooklyn. This next scent, this is me in a bottle. It is an inspired version of Matiere Premier's white powder. I love white powder. Ever since I heard Peyton mention it and I tried it in her mood boosting scent, y'all should go watch that. It's pretty interesting. This is Khadlaj Fursan White. It smells like you put on coconut, suntan, vanilla, coconut, suntan, body oil, and then you went and swam in the beach resort of an all-inclusive resort in Tulum. And then you stepped out and the wind just wafted you. Just the wind was what dried you off. The wind dried you off. You didn't use beach towels because just the heavens just wanted to make sure that they touched your skin. That's what this smells like. This right here, that's what white powder smells like. It smells like the heavens just wanted to touch you and tell you that you're the queen of the earth. Yes, white powder. It's clean coconut, vanilla. The Fursan doesn't have the white powder, but let me tell you, Brown Sugar Babe, please add Brown Sugar Babe right now. Let them know that I'm talking about them, and that I really want to be a part of their team. I really want to market for them. I could work for you, Brown Sugar Babe, because I got all your scents right here. I don't miss, but I guess you want to keep me as a consumer. That's okay. You don't have to put me on your team. You probably just want to keep me as a consumer. But this is Vanilla Whisper. This one is white powder as a liquid. What I mean by that, it has all the ingredients of white powder, the Palo Santo, the coconut, the vanilla, and y'all, it smells just like white powder. I'm so proud of Brown Sugar Babe. If I never told you, I'm proud like a mama that y'all doing this for people, because white powder is so expensive. It's $250. Everybody can't afford that, but this one is so good. Look, I have marshmallow and vanilla whisper on me. I'm smelling delicious. So I wish you could smell me through the visuals, but I'm so sorry. Maybe I'll do a meetup group when all the perfume collectors can come on out and we can smell each other, because that's what we do as fragrance lovers. That's what we do as enthusiasts. But this white powder smells so good. It smells just like vanilla powder. It smells, if you love that clean coconut scent, it smells just like it. And the thing about Brown Sugar Babe's oils, it does mature as they sit as well, just like Kayali. So I'm expecting it to be even more of the white powder feel and last longer. But if you want white powder and you can't afford that price point, this size was about $65. Now I got a discount with the Great's discount code AI, the Great 10. I'll link that in the description. So it costs probably about $50 and it lasts. So I'm okay with that $50 price point. I try not to spend more than $200 on my scents, so join my shop at fragrance.net are my best. If I'm spending more than $200, I'll probably saved up for it. I don't use Klarna and I don't use any payment plans. It does come out of my budgets. But get your nose on Vanilla Whisper. I believe you can get it in a 2-ounce bottle. If you love that white powder DNA, you're gonna love it. Vanilla Whisper. Matter of fact, be sporting that straight up. So this last scent, I actually bought a decant and didn't realize I had it. I guess I was planning on doing a video around it. That is Queening by Mind Games, y'all. Bottle sit split. Queening is so sensual. It's a vanilla coconutty scent, just not quite like white powder. White powder is like a queen, not as sweet. Queening is a little bit sweeter. It's sweeter. That green apple at the top, I don't know what it's doing, but it's adding that sweetness that you really need in a vanilla perfume. I don't know. If you like, what's that light blue? What's that? Dolce & Gabbana light blue. You're going to love this scent with the apple in there. It has cotton flower at the top as well. Saffron to help it to be more airy. So you get like a little baccarat in the middle layer. Vanilla and coconut musk. Queening is that girl. This is a very luxurious niche. I haven't heard any bad reviews about queening. If you're the type of person who's prone to having headaches with scents, this is a good scent vanilla for you because it's not overpowering, but it's still a boss. It still brings a statement. Some people are comparing this to Casablanca by Swiss Arabian, I guess because that apple in there. But to me, it's a little bit more, a little bit better, well blended than the Casablanca by Swiss Arabian. It's a lot well blended than that. It's very heavenly, very well blended. Queening by Mind Games. Get your nose on that, scentsplit.com. I'm sorry I'm a little with that spray. It's my brown sugar babe. Gonna always put that on. Okay, look how big this bottle is. Always gonna layer this with all of my that don't have vanilla. You talking about, it doesn't smell quite like Kayali. This is a little bit more darker and richer. Look how dark that. You good. You potent when it's that dark. This is more of a sensual, sexier, think version of Vanilla 28. Vanilla 28 is very sexy. This one I think is more of like sexy. You could definitely dress it up, but this one is more like light. I'm going out, kicking it. This one's more like date night, black dress, sexy. And this is the last scent that I'm gonna be sporting. This is the Donna Karan Palo Santal. Definitely can be worn. This is a peach smell, and it's not a bad peach. It's a sweet peach. It's not like Belaya. I don't know what it is with that peach. I guess something else is in there. It's not, I don't know what's going on with me and Belaya. We're not working, but the cashmere in here helps that peach smell. So you're not just getting peach, but you smell the peach, but it's a sexier, juicier. You can cook a peach and get this syrup. That's what it smells like. Grown woman approved. Palo Santo is in here as well, which is going to help it last. You get a little woodiness with that, and then it lasts on me. And I work to work. I get compliments. I almost got stalked with this scent. And the very elegant, very one of my top scents. I'll be wearing that to work and my best life. So there you have it. Those are my top scents that I'll be vanilla scents that I'll be rocking in the summertime. One do you think you vibe with? One is one are you thinking about rocking the summer? Or if I don't have the one that you're rocking the summer, let us know in the comments. We're all glow getters here. You know what I'm saying? We're glowing up together as a family. Let us know, just for the community, how you're rocking that vanilla, this scent, or you suggest that I use my vanilla collection. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You hit that notification button to make sure that you never miss a glow up. Check the link below and grab you some of the Crystal Skincare Niacinamide Gel. It leaves your skin glowing. It's specifically tailored to women who have hyperpigmentation and acne issues. I was that person way back when for over 2 years. I have not had a breakout, and yeah, I used to have the piece of face, but you're not a piece of face anymore. I was very really affecting my self-esteem, so I decided to create that, and with some people who are helping to melanated, because the darker your skin, the more noticeable your breakouts are. Your breakouts are very noticeable, and I could never hide it. It was just big black spots all over my face. So I had to start using niacinamide, and so that's why I'm always using it, because I know how it helped me in my skincare journey. So check out the link in the description. And as always, keep growing, keep glowing. I'll see you next time. Be blessed. Peace.